Alright guys, welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. It is football season. We've got a special treat for you today. We're going to make the best cheese dip that you've ever had in your life. Here's a look at our ingredients. We got some ground chuck using that 80/20. Just about 2 pounds of that beef. And then 1 pound, I'm going with this hot sausage because I like a little spice to this. I'm telling you guys what, the next football party you got, bring this to the table. Everybody will be begging for you to bring it every single time. Get that meat brown, a little color on it like that. Then we're gonna go in with some chopped jalapeno, a little chopped onion. Get that all mixed up together real nice. Don't forget to drain that stuff off. Also, we got a jar of salsa going in. And right here's the secret ingredient, guys. Cream of mushroom soup. Just 1 can. Get it all mixed together like that. And then we're going in with that Velveeta cheese. I was trying to find the Mexican kind. That's what I normally use. But they didn't have it, so I just went with the regular. Still turned out amazing. But look at that. Look at that shine, guys. Oh, yes. Absolutely delicious. And shout out to Dad because this is his recipe. I grew up on this stuff, man. And I am super thrilled to be sharing it with you. Get you some Tostito scoops.
Okay, guys, I have waited long enough. This really didn't take that long. In the crock pot, it does take quite a while. But on the stove like this is the first time I've tried it like that. But they worked out pretty good. So let's get us a good bite right here. Get you a look at that. Oh my gosh. Hands down, absolutely the best cheese dip you'll ever have. Y'all gotta try this. Super simple. You saw it. It's easy. It's delicious. Make this thing. It's football time. Let's go.